All right, new route. Boston Common to Back Bay. We'll get you right into the middle of the Back Bay. Fremont and Boylston. Now let's take a look to the right on Boylston. Okay? We've got a two-way bike lane. No right turn here for a car, but we can do it. Two-way bike lane. Boston Commons on the right. Watch the path, the way they have it laid out. We need to get to the other side. Yeah, you got a little bit of a wait there, but you do get the sign, and it's a very dangerous area. What they need to do is repaint it and mark it so it's very easy to see. And obviously fix the surface. All right, here we go, looping around Boston Public Garden. The Commons on the right. Gardens on the left. Careful with the pedestrians here. Beacon Hill's on the right. Sticking with the bend. Sneak by you guys on the right. I'm going to stop here and use the pedestrian to get onto Comm Ave. Turns out I got it. Careful here now. Very careful. I need to get to the left. Comm Ave in Berkeley. We can get through Clarendon before that green turns. go. Boston Common to Back Bay, right to Dartmouth, two-way lane.